Hi, I'm Margaret.
I'm Corey.
And this is
A Pretty Cool Hotel Tour.
We're traveling the country looking for hotels that make us say yes.
Or no.
Or aw.
Or ew.
Or what?
Or gross.
We never know what we're gonna find, but either way, we'll probably say pretty cool. Welcome to A Pretty Cool Hotel Tour, Miami! What's up, Miami? Oh, I don't like that. We are here to tour some of the executive hotels, which is a chain of sex hotels in Miami. There are 10 of these hotels within about 30 minutes of each other. Notice that it started pouring right when I said sex hotels.
Maybe God's trying to wipe us out again. I know the error of your ways.
A majority of them are just like mirrors and show showers, and
I just love that show shower is very much a part of our vocabulary now.
all I know is I'm kind of creeped out by their websites. It has 2 stars on Yelp. Not bad. Rooms were clean. Oh, except for the roach. I feel like I caught an STD just from being in the room. And I broke my arm. The management didn't care. BYOS, bring your own sheets. Rudest, most craziest people you'll ever have to deal with. They treat their customers like garbage. Well, sign me up and call me garbage, because we're going in.
We don't break our arms.
So that's why they call it the airport hotel. There it is. Here we go on a tour. Here we go. Now this smells like a cave room. Got a nice big open shower. No doors. Don't need them. Mirror above the bed that I'm not sure I have the desire to lay on. A lot of cavey details, including our favorite patented sex chair. Oh wow, this thing's got some wear and tear. Heart-shaped tub, so maybe there is some romance here. Oh gosh, Corey. Wow, that is not how I was thinking of using it. All right, well that chin is going nowhere near me today. This place is actually kind of bumping. It just sounds sticky when you walk. So clean now, you could eat off of it. I guess it's smart of them to make it this dark because you really can't tell if it's clean. This room has it all. Oh geez. I hope he doesn't get diseased. Maybe we need to crank some music and just really give this room a test run.
I bet you any amount of money I'll be the one using that pole.
Wow. Oh. No, no. Oh. You rubbed him on the ground, so now just put him on here. On to the next. Oh.
I know you're probably wondering, how do you use this thing?
We are wondering the same thing.
Let's check it out. See the doctor delivering my baby.
It's a girl!
Yay!
Oh, it's wet.
Yeah, I just wiped it down.
You missed a spot. When was the last time you flossed?
So let us know in the comments what position you think is the right way to use this thing.
Ready for the last hotel of the day?
On to the next.
It's a weird place.
Bunch of hanging chads out here.
Home sweet home. Can't tell if my heart is beating fast because I just climbed a bunch of stairs or if it's because I'm scared of this place. All right, almost fell on the sex chair. Very cool. Just a casualty of love. Zip your bag if I were you.
Nice! Tub time?
Tub time.
Looks like a sunny side up egg.
Oh, wow. I thought they were for the drain.
Oh, they're for vibing your holes.
We did it.
We did it.
There is something weird about these hotels just being all over town. What about this freaks me out when other theme fantasy hotels don't freak me out?
It's just a little more seedy than I think I'm used to.
This feels like a dungeon that I'm not totally sure I could escape if I tried. I think having a pole in a fantasy room is fun.
I'd never done that before.
Yeah,
It felt
it's
pretty
fun.
good.
It's super fun. I love the elements of the cool lighting, the pole. I even love the sex chair. I think I want to find some other fantasy hotels that have those elements to see if I can find one that I'm like, this is cool.
It's definitely important when you're going to a place like this to feel safe. And this is definitely not one of those circumstances.
Both want to Google this place more and never want to think about it again. So if you're coming here, go with someone you trust and probably just go for the 3 hours.
So we will not be staying overnight.
Stay sexy, don't get murdered.
Wow, we can't take that. Wipe it down.
And get out of town. So what do we think? Sex hotel or love hotel? Oh, and Merry Christmas.